Hey friends, if you wish to open the clipboard on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now before anything else, I will just copy something so that you can see it on the clipboard. What is the command for it? It is Windows key plus V as in victory. So press the Windows key plus V and this will open the clipboard. This is the clipboard. But can we see what is on the clipboard? No, because by default the clipboard history is off. It means that yes, if we copy something, it will be copied to the clipboard. Let me show you. This part was copied and I pasted it here. So it is on the clipboard, but you won't be able to see it. Why? Because the clipboard option is off. You can simply go to turn on and now you will be able to see it. Now let me try copying it. Okay. You will see this on the clipboard here, and you will clear the clipboard by clicking on this option. Once you have cleared the clipboard, if you try pasting anything on the clipboard, it won't paste. Why? Because you've cleared the clipboard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.